So to understand that what we are going to do, whether it is really doing like that, let me remove these two because these are the things that I added. I created the structure pointer, and then I have to assign these for this particular structure. I say 0x. Maybe I think we have to do it in this way. ICM. Let me give the address of struct ptr is equal to address of MICM info collection. So I have assigned as address of that one. After that, I define here about MICM info collection of 0. Maybe I can use a rider for rider equal to 0, rider less than 3, rider plus plus. I create can use random values we can give. That is one way. For that we have to import random. We include random library. Better we'll do like this because it is 3 instant only, no? So price request is equal to 0x1. Right. So these are the actually these are 3 instant of ICM info packet. For that we have given different values to that. Now as I pointing this structure pointer to ICM info collection address, just I am going to use that for str ptr. We can even don't have to str. We have to 3 times we have to increment, no? So let us do in this way. Printf. Here we have use a dummy variable here. In rider equal to 1, 0, right, for rider equal to 0, rider less than 3, rider plus plus. What I do here, as I already pointed the structure pointer, I am going to use structure pointer instead of instant collection. Struct ptr arrow mark. When you use pointers to print the data, access the member, use arrow mark beside your pointer name. The pointer name, the structure pointer is pointing the collection of ICM info signals. Totally we have 3 signals here. Those signals are though 3 instant of that packet. 3 instant, the top of that one is pointed by the structure pointer. So what I do, I just use that. I also should increase this structure pointer, struct ptr plus plus. I just increase this structure pointer by 1 step. 1 step means how many bytes it will increase? 1 byte, because the total signals that we have is packed inside a single byte. So every time when I increase that, it will increase 1 byte. That's it. So when I run this program, I should get 3 printing statement, 3 set of printing statement. Each set should output the instant signal values. Right now, let us check that whether it is happening or that. Okay. Struct ptr undeclared. Okay. Okay, I think there is a typo. struc ptr. Correct only, no? Struct ptr struc ptr struct ICM info star struct ptr. Any typo? strucptr strucp. Okay.
Sir, in increment again, ST
Yeah.
or
Okay. Then one more T, additional T. Assignment from incompatible pointer type. Why? Okay, I have to, because it is array, no? As it is array, we should not do this. This will help. This will solve the problem. Right now. So 1 1 0 query switch request, break switch 1 request, 1 1. Is that true? I don't think so. It is different, no? Query switch request 0 0 and then request 2 0. Right. Probably 1 1. Query switch request also 1, break switch 1 request also 1. Okay, first one, and then both of them are 0 in second instant. In the third instant, one is 2, another is 0. Correct now? So it is printing. But the navigation happens byte by byte. If you look at their memory, if you print their memory, they will be in consecutive memory locations. Right. So this is how we have to use a structure pointer. As we have an integer pointer, character pointer, like that, we also have a structure pointer. Jump size of structure pointers purely depends on how you framed the structure, right? How many variables that you have used, what is their data type, whether you have any bit representation. If those, based on that, they will decide the jump size. All those things will be determined by the application. We need not bother about it, but it is purely based on that. If you look at the data types like integer, character, we know what is their size. According to their size, they will move. If it is a float, they will do 8 byte increment. Character 1 byte. If it is an integer, 4 byte. But here the structure, it depends on your structure size. Clear? This is how you have to use a structure pointer. To declare a structure pointer, it is same as that of other pointer declaration. There we used to just say data type and then star, then pointer variable name. Here we also have to use struct because we are creating a user defined pointer. So that we are using a struct and then the structure name, then star the structure pointer name. We have to do that. And then when you want to point a single record means you can just use an address of that structure you can give. When we have a collection, you no need to give the address of you because it is a collection means array. So as it is an array, just you can say struct pointer is equivalent to the array name. Right now, once you have given, then you can use it. You can access it using a loop. In the loop, to increment the structure pointer, you can use structure pointer plus plus. Come on. Got it?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.